Welcome to JH. Emma and Rose Boston presents itself as a charming boutique managed by two sisters from Boston who curate elegant women's fashion. Their narrative suggests they have spent years carefully selecting dresses and shoes. However, a closer inspection reveals significant issues. The first major red flag is the 75% discounts on items claimed to be high-end, which usually indicates a problem. You will also notice that the products are identical to cheap items found on sites like Alibaba or Temu, just marked up to seem luxury. The entire backstory feels fabricated, with no proof of a real Boston boutique. In reality, the domain was only registered in May 2025, which contradicts their claim of being established for years. Despite the American branding, the website is registered in Slovenia by an individual named Medak Kale. Communication is also difficult, as there is no phone number, physical address, or official business name provided. They only offer a Gmail address and a standard contact form. If you have an order issue, do not expect assistance. Most customers seeking refunds are ignored or told to ship items back to China at their own expense. Furthermore, there are no legitimate reviews on sites like Trustpilot. The website uses stock photos and likely AI-generated testimonials to appear credible. Ultimately, customers receive low-quality clothing that does not match the online images. This is not a genuine boutique, but a scam designed to look like a local business. Everything from the staff to the products and the praise is entirely fake.